Hey guys, welcome to VBD Group. Already our country is struggled by a problem that is COVID-19 and total cases in this country is 2,07,000 with 7,000 deaths. Now another problem has emerged. The problem of that locust will be biggest loss to farmers. Largest locust crew attack in 30 years. It is very bad news for every farmers. It is start from Horn of America to Yemen and Yemen to Iran, Iran to Pakistan and Pakistan to India. It has now arrived in India. Some people in Pakistan have said that this is the worst disease for farmers. These low costs are ruining the entire crop. People will die of hunger here in Pakistan. Pakistan has made some agreement with China, but there is no proper solution to this problem locust attack. Nothing human can do against this locust. Thousand years ago, people used to depend on farming, and if they destroyed the local crops, people would die due to hunger. It is a local attack and it is giving a problem to humankind. The folk gather in lakes and target at any one place. The locust multiplication perform in large numbers. Losses in Pakistan. Pakistan will incur losses of about 2 billion pounds in winter crops such as wheat and a further 2.3 billion pounds in the summer crops being planted now, according to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organizations. Locusts are a collection of certain species of short-home grasshoppers in the family Acridiidae that have a swarming phase. They form bands of wingless nymphs which later become swarms of winged adults. Both the bands and the swarms move around and rapidly strip fields and cause damage to crops. Danger. Locust swarms are infamous for voraciously feeding on agricultural crops, trees, and other plants. In fact, this feeding can devastate crops and grass grown for people and livestock, causing famine and starvation in communities that depends on their crops for survival. Health risk. Large locust swarms create challenges that affect those with allergies, while animals can suffer respiratory problems when the pest block their nasal passages. Locust attack in India. Swarms of desert locusts have attacked parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh states. Delhi in central India also issued about offer suggestion the swarms could reach the Indian capital too. Given forecast wind direction, swarms of locusts have invaded vast swarms of land in India since April 11 this year. They entered several districts of Rajasthan by Pakistan Sindh province. Few days later, they entered the neighboring state of Madhya Pradesh. Many districts in Uttar Pradesh have now been put on alert. This locust attack has affected about 90,000 hectares across 20 districts in Rajasthan. Favorable rain, bearing winds added their transport towards India. This quickly growing swarm is now threatening to amplify into an agrarian disaster. Warmer weather, more locusts. The outbreak started after warm waters in the western Indian Ocean in late 2019 fueled heavy amount of rains over East Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Heavy rain triggers the growth of vegetation in arid areas where desert locust can then grow and breed.